Meizu 18 Pro Final Review, Things that you should know. Meizu launched its new flagship Meizu 18 series mobile phones in 2021, including Meizu 18 and Meizu 18 Pro. In today's increasingly fierce competition for high-end mobile phones, can the Meizu 18 series ride the wind and waves? How is it different from previous Meizu-style phones? At present, a geek phone has obtained the Meizu 18 Pro mobile phone of the Fakeshoe streamer version. We might as well answer these questions through this review. Design and appearance. When you see the Meizu 18 Pro packaging box, you will think that Meizu is still that Meizu, with pure white, simple and restrained decoration, book-like size, and clever page-turning design, all of which are very Meizu. The box accessories are effortless, only the manual, the card pin, and the data cable, and the charger are not included. Picking up the Meizu 18 Pro phone, you can see that this phone uses a hyperboloid front and back with an aluminium alloy middle frame design. Since last year, most flagship phones have adopted similar design solutions, indicating that this design is still more popular. Look at the details of the phone. Flying Snow Streamer, as the name suggests, is, of course, white. However, the white color of Meizu 18 Pro is still a bit different, and a geek phone feels that the focus is on snow and light. Snow, of course, refers to white. The white of Meizu 18 Pro is a relatively low brightness white, which is unassuming but seductive. At the same time, the purity and quality of the white are also good. And light is the unique reflective vision brought to the white by the back panel's AG etching process. The gloss is hot and delicate, like a layer of frost. The opposite is the white of the camera module, a design with higher brightness and more shining gloss, which forms a certain contrast with the overall style of the back, making the overall back less monotonous. Simultaneously, Meizu also designed a silver polished gasket on the bottom of the camera module to further enhance the phone's quality. In general, the design on the back of the Meizu 18 Pro fuselage from streamer Flying Snow is still very recognizable, and I believe it will be a more sought-after style. Looking at the phone's front, Meizu 18 Pro is equipped with a 6.7-inch quad-curved micro-curved screen with a narrow frame, a perforated front camera at the top, and a handset micro-slit design. The middle frame of the Meizu 18 Pro is made of aluminium alloy, polished in silver, and complements the white on the back. There is only one noise reduction microphone at the top of the fuselage, and the bottom is a speaker, call microphone, USB interface and SIM card slot. There are no buttons on the fuselage's left side and the volume button and power button on the right side. The Meizu 18 Pro has a body size of 162.5 mm x 73 mm x 8.1 mm and a weight of 189 grams. It feels just right, which is relatively light among top flagship phones. In terms of appearance, Meizu 18 Pro is still superior, especially the white of the streamer Flying Snow, which looks very seductive. Simultaneously, the mobile phone is also more exquisite in terms of artistry, and it feels solid in hand. Hardware and performance. As a new generation flagship machine, the Meizu 18 Pro is naturally equipped with the Snapdragon 888 mobile platform. Its core architecture is 1 by 2.84 GHz, ARM's latest Cortex-X1 core, plus 3 by 2.4 GHz, Cortex-A78, plus 4 by 1.8 GHz, Cortex-A78, A55, GPU is Adreno 660, using X65G modem baseband, supporting Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2. Simultaneously, the Meizu 18 Pro in the hands of the geek phone also uses 12 GB of full-blood version of LPDDR5 memory and 256 GB UFS 3.1 storage, which will have a good gain for playing games. When testing the performance of Meizu 18 Pro, a geek phone first tested it with Geekbench 4. It measured Meizu 18 Pro with a single core score of 4,945 points and a multi-core score of 12,472 points, which is the normal level of Snapdragon 888. The first is Peace Elite. With the ultra-high-definition material and various image quality options adjusted to the highest, the editor played the game for about 10 minutes. The whole process was very smooth, and there was almost no frame drop. The actual measured average frame rate during the game is 39.8 FPS, and the performance is still excellent. After the game is over, the body temperature of Meizu 18 Pro is 37.3 C, and you can feel the phone heating, but it is not hot. Then there is the game MIB 2K20, which is also played for about 10 minutes at the highest image quality. The game process is also very smooth, without the feeling of stuttering or frame dropping. The average frame rate of the game test can reach 59.7 FPS. Basically, there is no fluctuation, it can be said to be silky smooth. At the end of the Meizu K20 test, the body temperature of the Meizu 18 Pro reached 41.2 degrees Celsius, and you can feel the surging heat when you hold the phone, but it will not be so hot that it makes you feel uncomfortable.